Well, I have just gassed up for about the third time today in Texas. Yes, I have unceremoniously arrived in Texas. We're in a safety corridor, no passing, no speeding, all fines are doubled. And of course, I'm driving a tank. And all that parade of folk behind me kind of pissed off. Oh, this is very nerve-wracking here. Now this is a national forest. Lincoln National Forest, so there would be free camping out here if you were so inclined. Well, maybe I turned the camera on just in time. I'll tell you where I would not like to be riding, up in the booth. That's what I call the overhead bump, is the booth. It would be a fantastic view, but I'd be scared. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Such a scenic drive. Oh gosh, I wish I could just stop. But, oh look, there's a pullover. Too bad. I'm not taking any chances. We're gonna drive through and keep it going. Wow, you can see for miles and miles. It's a beautiful day too. It's a little after 10 o'clock in the morning. We're heading from Alamagorda, New Mexico towards Carlsbad, New Mexico. We're going through the Lincoln National Forest. Our goal is not Carlsbad today. The expectation is Pecos. And I really hope the reality is Fort Stockton. Oh, look, this is fun. Check this out. Lights on for safety. Let me pull them on. Woo! It's dark up in here. Wow. Yep, I'm a big kid. I had such mental debate about which way to go. I am so glad I took this route. Yes, it's been a white knuckle ride, and the old Caddyshack is certainly feeling it. But it's so spectacular, beautiful. Forestry. Oh, it's just stunning. And it's very early spring, so a lot of these trees have not leafed out yet, so I can see beyond them. Oh, that was a skunk. I saw a sign that said watch for snowplows. Will not be driving this type of environment in snow. We're in the tall timbers now. We've just come out of cloud crop, and and we are in the tall timbers. Looks like we're going to start going down a little bit. I'm not having to give it any gas, and I don't want to ride the brakes, so I may have to drop gears here. What a beautiful part of the country, but I bet you it's cold in the wintertime. Bet you it's beautiful a little bit later in the year when all the grass is green. Well, it's beautiful now. Beautiful mountains up here. I can't talk, can I? Ooh, I'm going a little too fast for this curve. Come on, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Seriously, there is snow. There is freaking snow. Oh Lord, that has to be artificial snow. I got a hold of some really smooth road. We're still on US 82 southbound. Well, I'm sure there must be a beautiful scene off to the right, but we're not going to take a chance and look. We're just going to assume that the vista is phenomenal, and we're going to hope that somebody somewhere took a beautiful picture of it that they'll share. One thing I like about driving this bridge, there's never anybody in front of me. I have a wide open view, wide open road. I can't say much for what's going on behind my bumper, but they'll eventually get on around, and when they do get around, they'll pass me on by and leave me to my peace and quiet. I want to show y'all something. I have a co-pilot now. Yep. He came out of his little crawl space where he hides while I drive. Coming up a co-pilot for me, Big Day. Yeah. Come on and co-pilot for me. Big old boy, you. The big man. Oh. Oh. What? What are you trying to tell me? Are you being lovey? Did you just have a seizure or something? I'm glad to see you're more curious now. We've only been driving for 2 hours, and usually he is hidden the whole time. I'm going to chalk this route up to a mistake. Not a big mistake, a mistake nevertheless. Mapping it out on the maps, looking at the routes, it looked like a very direct route. But I haven't been able to go much more than 40 or 45 about the last 20 or 30 miles. And I've got about 60 more miles to go of this. It's a little narrow road, and it's just back to back, bumper to bumper, 18-wheelers and dump trucks. I've just now started recording because I passed what I hoped was the major congestion. If you feel like this really has to be an experience for you, if you're one of these that need to make your own mistakes, then by all means choose this route. This is an example of what I've been dealing with for the last 30 miles. And this looks like regular traffic, just, you know, pickup trucks and stuff. Throw a bunch of dump trucks in the mix at 18-wheelers. It's not fun. We got some sporadic drivers up here ahead of me. I'm gonna caution you. I've had to tap my brakes a couple of times. This guy up here in front of me, I do not know what he's doing. As an 18-wheeler, he does seem to be driving a lot slower than what I have seen 18-wheelers do, and I am proud of that. I see that he's definitely driving more carefully. He's spending a lot of time slamming on his brakes. And now I've got an 18-wheeler behind me. I see what it is. This guy knows these roads. There's some repair work with these road patches, like a catapult one. Well, you know, there's the good, there's the bad, and there's the ugly. And this is the bad and the ugly kind of rolled together in one. Like I said, bad mistake. The only other choice I could have had for leaving Alamagorda is to take Alamagorda straight down to El Paso and get on Interstate 10 and just do interstate driving at 85 miles an hour, which makes me nervous as well. So I opted to do the scenic route. Granted, the route from Alamagorda to Carlsbad was phenomenal. Wonderful drive. But from just outside of Carlsbad, before getting into Carlsbad, to now has just been a holy terror. I think this is where the Mad Max themes came from. I know it's too much to ask for a sign of civilization, but there is a pilot truck stop up here on the left. Oh, this pilot's just now being built. Well, I guess they're expecting these fields that I just come through to be a major business for them. Yeah, we're gonna stop here. I wonder if I can stay long enough to fix myself a sandwich, because I tell you what, I can see all the way down this road and to the horizon ahead. It looks pretty bleak. Check it out. I had enough time to go back there and get some bananas and some crackers and a new fresh soda. That's the lead vehicle there. She's going to turn around and let all these other folks go by, and then she'll lead me through to the other end. Little cracker. They're rich. I like rich. Well, it does explain why everybody was traveling in packs a while ago. Oh, they're gonna switch out. Have fun. Check this out. The little flag man's gonna stop and take a little break. Or he's gonna dig for something to snack on. I wonder if he knows that I got crackers and a banana. I've got this really unusual driver behind me. I will admit I'm going like 65, but the speed limit here is 75. And he's driving most of his driving in the oncoming lane. I don't know if he's driving in the oncoming lane because he's trying to see around me or what, but he's a very aggressive driver. Okay, I'm gonna back down a little bit and let him pass me by. Yeah, see, check that out. There's a bunch of kids. Well, I have just gassed up for about, what, the third time today? In Texas. Yes, I have unceremoniously arrived in Texas. And where in Texas did I stop to get gas? Walmart. Walmart. Right here in Fort Stockton. Certainly isn't my first choice to stop. But I tried the one in Pickles. And Pickles was a little scary. No, it wasn't. It was a lot scary. So those over there to the left, there's about 4 or 5 Class A's that definitely look like they're part of the high rent district. So I'm going to park right up here next to this trash can. And I think I have it cleared. Ooh, they stocked up, didn't they? Well, see, this is my third Walmart today, and I stocked up this morning in Alamagorda, Mexico, New Mexico. So I'm gonna get out and check the back, see how much clearance I got. It is windy and chilly as all get out in here. It ain't nothing like the deserts that I just left. This is a Walmart sunrise. Yeah, this is my maiden morning. I've never slept in a Walmart parking lot before. Well, not intentionally. It's about 7:20, 7:30, and we're in Fort Stockton, Texas. And I gotta say, this is probably about the only place you can park in Fort Stockton, Texas. Oh look, there's a dash cat. Have y'all seen Spooky lately? Say hi to Spooky. There she is. Hi, Spooky. Hi, Spooky. Oh, she's not too scared today.